I love elephant. I love big thing. I love big thing. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pumi. I'm a South African working and living in South Korea. For all my returning subscribers, yes, I really appreciate your support. It really do means a lot to me. And if it's your first time to come across with this channel, please do like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that next time when I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. And please stay, watch my videos. Today's video is all about getting to know me. So I get a lot of questions on my TikTok, on my DM. Like, there are so many. I was like, I cannot like answer one by one, so why not do a long video answering all those questions? Because like, I mean, my subscribers, most of them, they're from my TikTok, so I was like, let me just do a long video answering each and every question. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the first question. So I wrote all the questions down because there's so many I cannot remember them. Like, there are so many. So let's dive into the first question. The first question is, what is your full name and why were you named that? Okay. My full name is Pumuzo. It's Chivenda name. It's Pumuzo, which means comfort in English. While growing up, I asked my mom who named me Pumuzo. She was like, it was your grandfather. So I asked my grandfather, why out of all vendor names you choose Pumuzo? And he was like, because you were comforting your mom. Like, he said it in Venda that oba kupumuza me awe. And I was like, how? Why was she crying, or why was she like, sad or whatever, like the reason why? And then he was like, because your dad was not in the picture. Yes, so that's why I'm Pumuzo. Comfort. I comforted my mom, I guess. So yeah, that's where my name come from. So my dad was not in the picture when my mom was pregnant. Second question is, what's your birthday and what's your star sign? Okay, my birthday is on the 15th of March. Do you want to know the year?
Yazi wena wesinayika wena ngisaqamuho manje awubheka uzibulisa kanjani lokho ubalekela mina ngizozimela inhliziyo wena wenza ukunyanyisa manje come on ngena sa ngena man anehlukane nobathathu Lieutenant Mngaya asikhuluma indaba zebusiness yabo masengiqedileke undozi sifuna ukukhuluma naye konkinga saja konke.
I was born in 1990, 15 March. I'm old. Okay, my star sign is Pisces. I'm a cry baby. Guys, I'm a very emotional person, so I'm a very emotional person and I get attached with people easily. So you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, I get so emotional. Like, I always cry. I always cry, guys. I'm a cry baby. The next question is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is black, guys. Sometimes I feel like I don't have a good style, but when I'm wearing black, trust me, I feel like I'm a queen. Even if I'm going to an event, a party, or anywhere, or I'm just going out, if I'm wearing black, oh my god, I feel myself. I love black. I love black, trust me. Let's go to the next question. What's your luckiest number? It's 15. Yes, 15 is my lucky number. If you play some lotto, please Bet with 15. Trust me, you will win. Let's go to the next question. Do you have pets? No, I don't have pets. I would love to have a puppy. The next question is, where are you from? I love this one. I love this one. Where are you from? I'm from Africa, in South Africa, Limpopo, Venda, Njerere, London, Harabali, Osaito Mabedeloni. That's where I'm from. I know it's like it's very long, right? But that's where I'm from, guys. That's where I'm from. I'm from London. I'm from Njerere. Harabali, Osaito Mabedeloni in South Africa, Limpopo. That's where I'm from. I love this question. Ooh. Next question. What's your height? Ooh. I'm a very short girl. Um, I think I'm 4'9" or 4'8". 4'9", 5 or 50. Yeah, I'm 4'9" or 50. I'm a very short girl, guys. I'm a very short girl. I'm a shorty. I'm a very short girl, for real. I'm a very short girl. Maybe you have seen on my videos. I'm a very short girl. The next question is, what's your shoe size? Oh my god. As short as I am, obviously I will wear small size. I have two size. Funny, right? I have two size. 3.5 and 4. I think 4. Next question. What's your favorite animal? I love elephant. I love big thing. I love big thing. Don't get me wrong. I'm talking about animals here. Because I love big thing. I love elephant with all my heart. I love elephant.
God have mercy upon us.
Next question. What food do you love the most? I love pap, acha, and mashonja, guys. I'm a village girl. Next question. What's your favorite alcohol or drink? I love anything dark. Give me some Henny or some Jack. I'm good. I will be good. Yes. Next question. What do you declare yourself, homo or bi? Bi. Next question. What is your relationship status? Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Guys, I'm single. Very much single. I'm single, guys. I'm single. I'm single. I'm single. I'm single. Yo, I need to find me some, yeah. I'm single.
Will I be in a relationship this year? Darn. Will I be in a relationship next year? Darn. Will I be in a relationship in 5 years? Darn. Will I be in a relationship in 10 years? Darn. Can I have a cuddle buddy? Will I go out on any dates this year? Will somebody ever ask me out? Will I ever ask anybody out? Can I at least have a dog? Will I ever find the love of my life? Darn. Should I get back with my ex? Nope.
Next question. How long you've been in Korea? Mm. Whew, it's been 4 years. I'm in Korea. I miss home so bad. And trust me, in these 4 years, I haven't visited home. Yeah, I haven't visited home. Yes. Next question. Any regrets in life? The only regret that I have in my life is the only regret I have in my life is not choosing me earlier, because I've been through a lot of stuff, and I'll be like, tomorrow will be better, things will be okay. Yeah, but nothing changed till I end up choosing myself over everything. Yeah. Next question is this one. Oh my god. Who? Who? This one, guys. It's kind of like sensitive. Um, do you have a good relationship with your parents? Yes, with my mom, I have a very good relationship with her. Like, I talk to her about everything, like literal everything, like dating stuff. I do talk to her about it. Um, when it comes to my dad, he's never been there. I met my dad while I was 11. No, I was 12 years old. And when I met him, it was so strange. Like, we were really like distant. At first, he tried like, okay, to be there, but he was just on and off. And that really like made me to choose my stepdad over him, because I was like, he's not there. He's here tomorrow. Tomorrow he's not there. So I chose my step. I love my stepdad, guys. I love my stepdad. Yes, when it comes to my dad, he made me feel like I'm not wanted. Yeah. So nah. Yeah. So anyway, guys, this one is, I'm just getting emotional a little bit, So okay, guys. This is the end of my video, so please do like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so that next time when I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, please watch my video and give it. Helps my videos to reach to more audience. See you on my next video. Bye. Love you.